If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. And if you're here for the first time, do subscribe to the channel and do press the bell icon on the YouTube app and you will never miss any new videos that we release. Recently I was with a friend and he's into waste recycling, and we were talking about recycling bottles, these plastic water bottles, and it's a big nuisance all over the world. And he was saying one of the problems in collecting these plastic bottles is in India you have these people who go around on all the streets and go to the houses and restaurants and they collect it in these bags. So the problem with collecting the bottles is that the volume of the bottle is quite a bit, but if you could squash it like that, it becomes lesser, but it's really difficult to squash it. But the advantage is that the same guy can carry a lot more bottles because the weight is not too much, it's just the volume that becomes a problem. To squash it, first you have to uncap each bottle and then you have to stamp it with your foot, and it's not possible to do that for hundreds of bottles or thousands of bottles that they collect every day. So that kept me thinking, and I thought, what can we do to solve this problem? So we started making our prototypes, and before that we went on the net to see what is there in the world for single bottles squashers. So we saw some wall mounted ones, but these will not work because there's no wall to carry around. And we thought how to make the same thing in a way that one can carry and put on the ground and then squash it, but it was coming very difficult, though this is one example that we had tried out. It didn't work out very well. And I wanted to use the foot, make a lever and use the foot to actually crush it, because then you're not using your muscle so much, but you're just putting your weight on it. So we kept doing some more trials, and this is what we've come up with. We can put the big bottle, any size bottle fits. So we put the head here, and we don't even have to remove the caps, and then we just crush it. So how it works is that this part of the neck of the bottle gets fixed out here, so it doesn't let the bottle go. Apart from that, we have got these small nails here and the smaller ones here. So this also holds the bottle. These big ones puncture the bottle, and this is also there to hold so that it doesn't run away on this side. So when we crush it, these three long spikes, they puncture the bottle. That way you don't have to open the cap before the thing is pressed down. And we have a pivot here, and we have a stopper so that these small nails don't go and touch the other side of the frame. So now if you see, very slowly I'll do that. This is how it crushes. It makes a hole. Yeah. If you see, these are the uncrushed bottles and can, and these are the crushed ones. So this is the space that this one takes, and if we take this, and this is the space that this one takes. So this way the same bag that you can see here would become 1/4 its size or even 1/5 its size. What it also does is that it saves that many trips for the same guys. So in fact they can have a double income by doing another job. So this is an invention as a product. And like many other products that we have designed and invented or innovated, this is free to use, and feel free to copy it, replicate it, even better it. Share with us if you made it better. And we've called this bottle crusher because it crushes bottles and cans. And if you want to buy this product, you can contact us through the description on the YouTube video, as well as our Facebook page, dArtofScience. When you buy it from us, you'll be paying a little more than it would cost. But that's also to support us to keep innovating and keep doing more stuff like this. We do a lot of stuff, some science stuff, some DIY stuff, and some stuff which is good for the environment, like we've made a speed breaker to generate electricity and things like that. So we hope that we get your support. Do subscribe if you haven't.